In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exchange a SHEIN item. Think of this as using SHEIN's return and refund flow to get the item back and receive your money so you can get the right version without hassle. I'll walk you through each screen and share simple tips to make the process smooth from start to finish. Start by opening the SHEIN app on your phone or visiting the website in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to the account you used to place the order so all your purchases appear correctly. Next, go to Me, then select My Orders. This is where every order you've placed is listed. If you have a lot of orders, use the search, filters, or scroll to find the one that includes the item you want to exchange. Open the order details so you can see each product on that receipt. Find the specific item you want to send back. When you're on that item's detail within the order, tap Return Item, or you might see Return and Refund depending on your region or app version. Both options take you to the same place. Select the item again on the return screen and choose the reason that best describes why you're sending it back. Be accurate and clear here. Choosing the correct reason helps the request move faster. If there's a notes field, add a brief explanation to help clarify, such as a sizing issue or a color mismatch. Submit the return request. After you confirm, you should see on-screen guidance about the next steps. Keep an eye out for any instructions or return labels provided by SHEIN, and note any deadline they list for shipping the item back. Now it's time to pack the item. Make sure all original tags are attached and the product is in unused, resellable condition. If you still have the original packaging, that's ideal. If not, use a clean, sturdy alternative. Include any accessories or inserts that came with the item and seal the package securely. Ship the package back following the instructions you received. If a prepaid label or a carrier option was provided, use the designated method and drop it off at the correct location. Hold onto your shipping receipt and any tracking number so you can monitor the package's journey. Finally, wait for the refund. Once the return is received and inspected, SHEIN processes your refund to the original payment method or to your wallet balance, depending on your settings. You can check the status in My Orders and look for updates on the return detail page. That's it. Simple, clear, and done.